how to reverse park in the driving assessment. Now, if the bay that's right next to me is the one that I'm using, I'm going to count 3 lines with my side mirror. That's number 1 line. Getting to the second, number 2. And getting closer to the third and overshooting slightly so we can avoid static turning. We will go slightly backwards without steering, and now we're going to fully lock, which means steer completely to the left. And we can pay attention to the left hand side mirror at first, and then to the right hand side to line the car up straight. And now we straighten up steering. Look at my front wheels. It goes number 1 and number 2. So the SRS letters on the steering wheel come down to the bottom 2 times. So let's give it another go. So we will use the same bay. So this will be number 1 line, number 2, and the third. We'll overshoot slightly. If we overshoot a bit more, that's not a problem. We can compensate by going straight backwards. Now we start to steer very sharp to the left, waiting until the car lines up parallel, and now we straighten up. We can see the depth in the side mirrors and obviously in the rear window. Done.